what would be one thing, either from any of the categories, that you would let go of this year?
It's been really interesting because as a result of the fires, I was already placed in a position to evaluate what do I need, what don't I need, um, letting go of those things that I don't, and really just kind of taking on more of a minimalist mindset. And every place I go, I actually have my own process of setting up the place and cleansing it energetically, but also organizing it in a way that feels good to me. Like this room that I'm in right now is in my mom's home, and there was so much crap in here when I came in here. There was a lot I had to kind of clear out and organize, and I love that process of organizing things. The closet was a mess organizing it, but it wasn't done with that awareness and that consciousness kind of coming into spring cleaning, and that awareness that, okay, I'm coming into this new point in the year, and I also want to be thinking about what do I want to take into this new part of the year, and what do I want to let go of and leave behind. So I haven't done that. And so if I were to go about the process more consciously, which I will over these next few days, what would I look at? It's interesting because I'm constantly, as you know, I'm always self-evaluation. I'm always just reflecting. The letting go process is like a perpetual thing for me. So if I were to, particularly over these next several days, what would be one thing that I would want to look at and let go of? What has come to my awareness is that there's certain emotions that I've held on to for a long time that have become kind of background emotions that I've gotten used to. And they've just kind of become a part of my experience of life. And I don't know if I would define it as an emotion. For example, we talked about this before. There's this perpetual dissatisfaction that I experience with my romantic life, my relationship to romance. I've been looking at that particularly the last few days. I've acknowledged that some part of me is holding on to this perpetual dissatisfaction. Like, it doesn't have to persist. There's some part of me that is clinging on to this. I'm holding on to certain beliefs. I'm also somehow my ego is like getting some sort of benefit or juice out of this. And I'm not super clear on what that is, but what is becoming clear is that it's a choice. And that I have gone through most of my life believing that it's not a choice, believing that it's something that I have to deal with. But that's not true. So I'm looking at that, and that is something as I go into these next, 10, 13 days, I'm going to continue looking at and inquiring about and getting more clarity about what it is that I'm ready to let go of. Because right now it's kind of vague. Right? What are the specific beliefs, and what are and what am I getting out of it, and what is it that I'm letting go of?